Hey guys, how's it going? This is Karol from Undisputed Marketer, and in this video we're going to talk about how to promote JVZoo products without a website. Now, I'm already in my JVZoo account, and before we dive into this, I just want to let you know that if you are watching this video, you're probably looking for some other methods, other strategies, how to promote affiliate products without necessarily creating a website, a blog, or writing out the articles and that literally building out the authority of the website. Now, to be honest with you, this strategy of having a website is a little bit of outdated already in today's era, because it first of all that there is so many websites out there that do have the authority already built, so you're gonna first of all compete with them, and it does take quite a long of time to literally get that authority. So if you are looking for other strategies, then you're in the right place. So first of all, you're gonna need to, with JVZoo, you're gonna need to understand and find out the right product for your offer. Now, it depends all on what you want to offer, what you want to be in, and what you want to offer your clients. You're gonna need to think what category you want to be in. With JVZoo product, JVZoo products are more into making money online category, and all of these subcategories that are kind of like helping the customers to earn more money online, right? So it's kind of like YouTube courses, email marketing courses, some strategies, some implementing some softwares and so on, other tools that are literally helping you creating more money online. Now, so first of all, you're gonna need to think of what product you want to promote. If it is directly some online course to make money online, or it is some kind of like a subcategory and some kind of tool that is gonna help them earn more money, right? Now, if you found something, then basically what you want to do is look into the actual offers, into the products you might have the chance to promote. Now, what you can do is first of all see the top sellers, which is over here, and they are basically divided into top sellers today, yesterday, past 7 days, and past 30 days. I do like past 30 days to look for because that's more accurate, and these are literally like the top sellers for the past month. Or what you might do is just click on affiliates and click on find products, and here you will have the list of all the products that are available to offer. Now with JVZoo, it's a little bit different than comparing to ClickBank, because with JVZoo you do need to ask for a permission to sell a certain product, right? And the reason behind that is that they don't really want their products to be spammed all over the internet, because many emerging affiliate marketers, those that are starting just out, they just spam it all over the place, and they kind of like hope to get a sale here and there. And these guys, they do not really want that, because they really value the name of their product on the internet. So that is basically the only reason that I found, to be honest with you. And so once you do find a product, then you just want to open it up. Let's say this one, which is explain deal, a literally random product, right? Now with this product, you will see over here, this is the sale price, which is 67 US dollars. What is great is recurring. Now here is your commission. I'm going to speak about the recurring just in a sec. The commission is 50% on the first payment, so that leaves you with 33.5 US dollars. And what is more is that there is a recurring income, and again, its commission is 50% on the remaining payments, as you can see, which basically means that if a customer from your affiliate link buys this product, you're gonna get 33.5%, which is 50%, 33.5 US dollars, which is a 50% commission from that particular sale. However, if that customer stays on with this product for more than that particular month, you're gonna get another 33.5 US dollars, 50% commission for all the next months that this customer is gonna stay with these guys, right? This is really pure gold if you find product like this. Now, what is more is here is something called sales funnel. Now, basically, sales funnel, what it actually is that, a funnel is basically all the other products that these guys are offering, like an addition or upgrade to the already bought product. And it basically works like that, that the customer that bought this product from your affiliate link, they bought the product, right? And these guys are gonna offer this person some upgrades to the product or the program they already bought. And if they buy some of these products, you're gonna get commission as well. And now you can actually check and see what kind of products they are offering, like a sales funnel, right? And I cannot really, can I just, okay. Perfect. So here you have basically commission is 50% on all of them. And here's also the refund rates, everything, the sales price, which basically gives you the idea of what kind of commission you're going to get if somebody buys also some of these. Now, you can actually see, and over here is a product for $497 and you get 50% commission, which is amazing, guys. Wow, this is great. So look at this. The more products the sales funnel has, it doesn't necessarily mean it's better, but at least 5-6 products in the sales funnel is great, or 3-4, that's great. Now with the permission, as you can see, here is a request permission. Here they do already have even points to talk about. So what you want to do in this specific space over here, you want to write them how you're going to promote their product, because you got to understand that with affiliate marketing and with basically any online marketing, it doesn't really need it's not really that kind of important what kind of platform you're using or what kind of product you're that much promoting, right? It doesn't really mean that the better product, there is like some one magic product that's gonna get you all the success and others are crap. It doesn't really work like that. You can literally sell any product, right? It's more about the strategy you're going to implement, right? Because if you have the right strategy, if you know what you're doing, if you know how to do it, then you can literally sell anything, right? Like even a crappy product, right? Which obviously I'm not recommending you to do, right? It's very important to choose the right product, because you want to ensure that the client you're going to promote to is going to get value from this product, that the product that what the product is promising, they're going to also deliver to the customer, right? And so what you want to do is, first of all, also check the actual sales page of that product. So here you can see it's called JV page. That is actually the sales page. So you just click on it. Okay, it's just over here, no worries. So over here is the actual sales page of this particular product, is plain DO. So you want to go through this and see if it is something that is compelling, if it is something you want to promote. And it does really happen if you're also a customer of the particular product you're promoting, because you got to understand that if you are the customer, you can first of all see if it literally delivers what they're promising, if it is valuable, if you like it, and if you are a customer, you know even more about that product and you can promote it even better, right? So it is recommended. It's not a must for any of the products to be the customer of their product. It's not mandatory, but it's recommended. Now, once you do have your product, you get approved, right? Then you will see your product over here in approved products. So once you do have your product, just find it and click on this green button, get links. Now you will see something like this. Here is your affiliate link. Now if somebody buys from this link, you're going to get the commission, right? However, you got to understand that you cannot really drive traffic to this affiliate link, right? Because if you're going to do that, first of all, many of the platforms you're going to promote on are going to ban you or suspend that kind of post. That applies definitely to Facebook, to Google AdWords, and many others. However, what you want to do is get something like a domain name, right? Now we spoke about this earlier, that you don't really want to create a website, but it doesn't mean that you're not going to get a domain. A domain is basically just a name, your name on the internet, right? And a domain basically costs, I think I've paid maximum of like 8 or 9 euros, which is around 10 US dollars per year. And the cheapest I've paid is around $1 per year, right? So it's very, very cheap. It's basically the least investment you want to invest in your business, right? If you are interested, I have in the description below a platform where I buy personally all of my domains. It's the one where are these prices that we talk about. So just go ahead. There is a table of 4 most important tools that every marketer needs to have, and domain is number 1. So apart from that, um, here's the name of the game, the strategy, right? Now I'm going to show you exactly what other people are doing, right? 99% of people are doing exactly this. So you've got you got the traffic, right? Here is the traffic. So let me just write over here traffic, right? Now what happens next is that people are going to drive this traffic to either directly the sales page or something called a landing page or capture page, right? Now, um, once they do get to the landing page is basically where you write some article, you write some title, right, some headline, and you get like a small, basically opt-in form, which basically asks the visitor to enter the email address in order to proceed to the next page, right? That is, again, this is the one-page website, right? So what happens next is that once they do hit the once they do post and do get into the email, then they're going to be directly sent to something, to basically to the sales page, right? That's what we've checked right before. That is the page where the customer is going to basically get the product from. Now this model is something I will just put it a little bit wider so you can see it properly. This is basically the method everybody is using. 99 or 95% of affiliate marketers are using, and probably, yeah, I would say 100% of emerging starting affiliate marketers are using. I was doing this exactly the same. I even bought a course to teach me this, right? And this basically is very broken method. It doesn't really work because everybody is doing it. There is nothing extra. There's nothing added to the customer in terms of value. So if you're going to do this, you're going to be exactly like everybody else, and then it's just the name of the game how much you're going to invest in the advertisements, right? However, what happens in this is that, first of all, the people you're going to drive to the landing page, they don't really know you, right? So you're a complete stranger and they don't trust you. They don't want to put their email into it. And so once they get into the email, they are like, okay, I want to get this information, and then they are going to be straight asked to buy something. So in order to receive that kind of information, they need to pay, right? And they're not really ready to buy. Just for the record, if you don't know what landing page is or a capture page is basically a one-page website where you put basically an opt-in form, which is like a form where the client puts the email address, right? And then there is a button. When they click on it, the email address is going to be captured into your email list, right? They're going to proceed to the next page, and this email is going to be saved into your email list, and you can later on send emails to these clients, right? That's called email marketing. Now, what I suggest and what I do, what I found success with, is basically something that is very similar to this one. The first two steps are the same. However, before I send my clients to sales page, I do something that is called value series, right? A value series is basically something you create. That is something you add to your customer, right? That is your own content that you give to the customer. And this is something very easy, very simple, can be just a one tip, on how to do something, one tip, right? A good tip on how to do, I don't know, videos, how to do email marketing, whatever it is, just one quick tip. It can be either I recommend using, just record yourself, do a video, but you can do whatever you find out, be creative with this. And then once they check this value, then there is going to be option for them to actually, proceed and check the product that I'm promoting, right? So it's going to be the promotion, right? And once they click on it, they're going to be redirected, or directed to the actual sales page, right? So, and what happens over here is that this value series, even if it is like very trivial, it doesn't need to be perfect or anything, great, whatever, like some rocket science. What happens is that you added something extra to the client, and suddenly, once they enter their email address, they receive the information you offered them, right? So they're gonna be like, oh, this guy gave me the information I wanted, and they're not even asking me to buy anything. This is great. This guy is amazing. And now what happens is that you still got the email address, right? You gave them value, and they're more likely to buy from you because they like you, first of all, because you're completely different than everybody else, and they're more likely to buy from you in the future or even at the same time, right? So this is how it works, guys. So first of all, you drive the traffic to the landing page, and then after the landing page, you put something called a value series. It can be a series of 3 to 4 videos, whatever. Give something like a value, record something, give them a good tip on how to do whatever is compelling to that particular offer, and then you can have a small promotion for them, which gonna be your affiliate link to the sales page, and that's how you sell. So I hope I covered everything. I hope I answered all of your questions, guys. I hope you got lots of value from it. And listen, if you want to start affiliate marketing properly, if you want to learn the strategy behind this, how to do this properly, then I highly encourage you to click the link in the description below. There is a 4-day free video series that I've created for all of you guys, and in this video series we're gonna cover each day something new about affiliate marketing and how to implement the right strategy into your own affiliate marketing business. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.